Are you ready to see your business turned inside out by AI? Because the future isn't about faster workflows or smarter assistants anymore. It's about rivals who are AI native, building from scratch with no legacy drag. If you're a CEO, the real question is not, how do I adopt AI? But can my business survive when competitors start AI first? Imagine a startup that evolves constantly, learns faster, and operates without the delays of traditional structures. This isn't sci-fi. It's happening now. We're already seeing it in healthcare and life sciences. Healthcare organizations are adopting AI 2.2 times faster than the broader economy, slashing documentation, speeding R&D, and reducing burnout. Claude from Anthropic is becoming a domain-specific research partner, deeply integrated into lab systems and workflows. Even our browsers are being reimagined. ChatGPT Atlas embeds AI memory, context, and automation directly into how we work, making productivity gains just the tip of the iceberg. And in the physical world, AI apps powered by Google's Gemini are integrating live mapping and sensor data, showing that AI isn't just digital, it's operational. The takeaway is clear. CEOs must stop thinking of AI as a productivity tool. Shift to an AI competition mindset. Ask yourself, can a rival replace or amplify our core business logic? Are our workflows designed to take full advantage of AI? Are we embedding AI into real-time operations, not just office tasks? The winners will be companies that re-architect their strategies, operations, and culture around AI. The ones that move from pilot projects to scaling AI-native capabilities fast. Your AI competitor might already exist in someone's garage. Are you ready to fold your organization into an origami shape that can compete? If this got you thinking, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment sharing how your business is preparing for AI-native rivals. Don't forget to check the related video in the corner to dive deeper into actionable AI strategies. The time to act is now.